Hi traders, I've entered on the pound New Zealand pair on the 4-hour time frame. The reason why I entered was due to the uptrend, and I felt like the trend can continue upwards. So I need to look for an entry signal, and the entry signal was from this candle shown by the arrow here. This candle has rejected the 1.9456 zone, which is a previous resistance right here, turned support, and this candle has rejected the zone. I was cautious this time and waited one more candle before I decide to long this trade. So I hope that this trade will turn out well. Hi traders, here's an update for the pound New Zealand pair. Unfortunately, we have been stopped out of this trade. On hindsight, I still feel that this trade is a good trade for me to long due to the setup that was shown. However, there was this red flush down candle that happened in the previous 4-hour candle, and we were stopped out of it. Hi traders, I've entered on Euro Yen pair on the 4-hour time frame. So why did I enter this trade is because first I saw a downtrend here, then I see in the 4-hour time frame there is this rejection candle that reject this level 131.704, followed by another red confirmation candle. So I placed my entry at around half of this previous candle, and hopefully that it will ride the trend downwards. So my risk to reward ratio is 1.5R. My risk is standard is $15, so which means my reward will be around $22, $23. So we shall see how the movement of this trade goes for the next few candles. Hi traders, here is an update of the Euro Yen pair trade that we took previously right at this candle. So as you can see, the trade was fluctuating between this zone, and I'm about to exit out from this trade because what I feel is that my setup has been invalidated. So looking at the daily time frame, what you can see is I entered based on this red candle, but on the next day it was flushed back up with this green candle. So I don't like what I'm looking at, and I feel that in the days today or tomorrow, what will happen is there will be a green upwards towards long, and my trade would hit the stop loss. So let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. Yes, and I feel that in this scenario, what is happening is that um, it doesn't seem to have enough power to move down towards the take profit zone. So right now I'm going to cut my losses, and okay, I shall close my position right now. Yep. Okay, so I have made a loss of around $3.50, and this is the update for this trade.
Hi all, we are looking at the Euro Pound daily chart right now. So we actually entered a long trade last week, and our entry signal was actually this bullish pin bar on the 22nd of March. So we placed our trade just slightly above the closing price, and our trade got triggered. And this trade itself, we were looking at the 4-hour chart. We were actually adjusting our stop loss, uh pushing the stop loss higher as the price moved up, and subsequently when we saw this bearish looking candlestick pattern over here, we eventually closed it and closed it out for a profit of almost 1R. This week I also made another trade in Aussie USD. It's also on daily time frame. I was looking for a long trade, placing a limit order when the price retraces back to this support zone over here. However, it will eventually washed out, and as the trade setup got invalidated. That's all.
Hi traders, here is an update of our portfolio after week 13. We did a total of 4 trades and our capital is now standing at $1,057 after losing 2.17% this week. Moving on to week 14, it is the start of April and there will be more news on the first 2 weeks of the month. So we need to remind ourselves to always check for any major news before entering trades. As always, if you like the content, do support us by hitting the like button and subscribe to this channel for our trade journal videos. And remember, will we succeed? We shall see.